So we finally have the door and porchway finished. We've got beautiful sleek white paintwork on the inside of the door to match the white paintwork we already have in the hallway. And let's see what we get. Oh, look at this beauty. I love it. How pretty is my dog? I love it. So beautiful. This knocker will never be used. Listen. This is just purely decorative, and this beautiful stepped Art Deco style chrome letter plate, they're never actually going to be used because no one gets past the porch, mainly because it's locked. So obviously the beautiful Turkish tiles, beautiful oversized chrome sliding bolts which are here. And then you've got our beautiful stepped door handle which matches the letter plate. And the most important thing, guys, is this super slick, super fine silicone. Silicone is what makes your life. Look how beautiful this silicone is. Oh my god, my brother is amazing. I love the silicone. Oh, and obviously the step. This is like a 100-year-old piece of wood that is part of the structure of the actual door frame. I guess back in the day it was used for flood defences or draft exclusion, I don't know. But we kept it and then just made it the same black as the front door. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, and my door has a secret, which I'll show you shortly. And then you can see the beautiful door numbers, beautiful polished chrome. I'll link those. Look at that. How gorgeous. So we have the front door complete. Wonderful, very happy. Here you go. Gorgeous front door. Amazing. Oh, and the exciting bit, I forgot. So can you see here, we've got the kick plate put on in mirrored finish, and then the matching kick plates on the porch doors. So very, very cool. Okay, so my door has a secret. When we replaced this bottom panel with a big reinforced panel, we changed the trim that runs around the box. And as you can see, I chose to use a piece of trim with a lip. So actually, I can have wreaths hung anytime, all year round. And remember, this letterbox is not used because we use the letterbox outside the house on the porch door. So inside the house, it could be a pretty winter wreath. Outside the house can be spring. And again, remember that this letterbox is not used because we use this letter plate here. So all year round, I could have a beautiful seasonal wreath which simply hangs with a picture hanger. Because this ridge, we've got a ridge in here because this is actually a picture rail that we chose to put around the edge to trim it off. So really beautiful, and I'm very happy.